Fitch unsettles investors, urging the ECB to do more to solve the debt crisis. The call comes just before closely watched Spanish and Italian debt auctions. The German Chancellor Angela Merkel praised Italy's reforms in talks in Berlin today with the Prime Minister Mario Monti. Merkel says the Eurozone's top priority for the beginning of the year is to secure a second aid package for Greece. Earlier came news that Germany's economy contracted by 0.25% in Q4 of last year, raising the spectre of recession in the currency union's powerhouse. But Tom Vosa, head of market economics at National Australia Bank, says the weak euro should help Germany to maintain growth.
The benefit to Germany of some of this sort of ongoing sovereign debt crisis is that the single currency is undervalued versus the US dollar and certainly sterling, and that's allowed German exports to grow very strongly. We're seeing profit margins for most large German exporters around 20%, and that's going to keep the economy growing. We think it will avoid a recession, but perhaps growth of less than 1% this year, which will be a marked slowdown.
There's more gloom ahead in Europe, according to a Reuters poll out today. The vast majority of economists we spoke to say the worst is yet to come in the sovereign debt crisis. On the plus side, most believe the Eurozone will survive 2012 in its current form. But they also forecast downgrades for France, Italy, Spain and Belgium. And Greece is cited as the biggest risk to stability. Central banks in focus Thursday. The European Central Bank expected to leave rates unchanged at 1%. Our poll also finds only a 1 in 3 chance that the ECB will resume QE before June. The Bank of England seen leaving policy on hold as well. All 58 economists polled by Reuters expecting the bank to keep rates at 0.5% and QE unchanged at £275 billion. Most see an extra £50 billion being pumped in later on, probably in February. Debt auctions also in focus. Spain is selling up to €5 billion of short-term paper just hours before the ECB rate decision. And on Friday, Italy offers up to €4.75 billion in 5-year bonds. That's all for now. Join us at noon GMT every weekday for an update on all the big market trends and movers. And we've got a special newsmaker interview with the Irish Prime Minister Enda Kenny at 10 GMT Thursday, January 12th. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.